Hello guys, my name is Shom. I am from gangbo.com. So today in this course I'll be explaining about the concept of blockchain. So basically what is blockchain, why you need this blockchain, why it is so disruptive, why it is the future. I'm going to discuss about that concepts. Okay, so see, blockchain, chaining of various blocks. So you'll be asking what is block, why we need this concept of blocks. So nowadays what you will be doing is, consider like you're making some kind of transactions like online transaction. So what will be happening is you will be getting some ID. So blockchain is that technology in which instead of storing your information in one computer, your information will be stored in several computers. That's called a peer-to-peer network. Like several computers will be having your information. Consider like you signed a contract. Okay, then that contact document will be sent to all the, it will be distributed. So this is the concept of blockchain. So what will happen is, see, there will be several pages, okay, and that will be having information about the transaction details that you have made, which will be distributed to all the other computers. With the collection of that pages will form a block, and collection of that block will form a blockchain. Okay, see, the modification of this blocks is very difficult. It's not possible. Even if you modify some component, some part in one block, then what will happen is other block will notify you. The information will not get modified to other blocks. So that is the problem. So blockchain gives you flexibility. It is the most advanced technology. It gives you flexibility to do things in a lot of easy way. Okay, so once you will be signing the contract, okay, why we need blockchain? We need blockchain for various, like, see, if you go for bankings, if you go for contracts, nowadays what we will do is, we will go for we will go to registry office and we will pay something to registrar. Why we are paying to registrar? Because he will make sure that your document, your property is in their list also. Okay, that's why you are paying. But if you use the blockchain concept, then what you can do, straight away you can talk with any person and then you can make contact yourself. So you don't have to involve the middleman. That is the concept of blockchain. Okay, coming to security, as I have discussed, security, the blockchain security is enormous. Even the companies which are in market like Uber and all, they are in fear of this concept of blockchain, because see, what we will usually do is we will book a cab and then what they will do is we will pay something to Uber or Ola. Okay, what we can do with blockchain is we can directly pay to the driver. Okay, and then we will be in contract, and that contract will be shared with all the computers. It will be distributed. So this is what you can achieve with blockchain. Who should learn blockchain? See, in the coming years, blockchain will be most booming things. It will be used heavily, whether it is banking sector, whether it is medicine sector, okay, whether it is registry, any place if you go, it will be used a lot. So blockchain is the future. Okay, coming to in this course, coming to the concept of Ethereum, Bitcoins, you will be learning all these informations, how chain is created. Okay, consider like you don't have to involve middle person in this concept of blockchain. So that is what blockchain means. Okay, in this course you will be getting information about Ethereum, Bitcoins. So what is this Bitcoins and all, how it is generated, how mining happens, all this concept you will be getting in the course of blockchain. So guys, if you want more videos regarding this blockchain technologies, okay, you should subscribe to gangbo.com, press the bell button and get the notifications. Thank you.